Subscribe my channel Dear GK and click on bell icon to get every latest new updates. First question. Which country is called as Rainbow Nation? Answer. South Africa. Which is the latitude that runs through the center of the earth? Answer. Equator. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer. K2 or Godwin Austen. Name the highest peak of Himalayas in India. Answer. Kanchenjunga. Which is the longest river in the world volume wise? Answer. Amazon River. Which country is known as Land of Setting Sun? Answer. Britain. How many countries are there in the world? Answer. 195 countries. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Answer. Venus, whose temperature is 478 degrees Celsius. Name the terrestrial planets in our solar system. Answer. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Which planet is nearest to the Earth? Answer. Venus. The first spacecraft to reach on Mars. Answer. Viking 1. Which Indian state has the longest border with China? Answer. Arunachal Pradesh. Name the river that is not crossed by any bridge. Answer. Amazon River. Which river passes through maximum number of countries? Answer. The Danube River. Which is the only country through which both equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes? Answer. Brazil. The giant redwood, the tallest trees on the earth, found in? Answer. California. Which is the rarest naturally occurring element on earth? Answer. Astatine. The Red Sea is located between which two continents? Answer. Asia and Africa? Which two countries are separated by McMahon Line? Answer: India and China. What is the capital city of Indonesia? Answer: Jakarta. Which city is known as Manchester of South India? Answer: Coimbatore. Which country is known as the sugar bowl of the world? Answer: Cuba, whose capital is Havana. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer: Russia. The scientific study of earthquake is called? Answer: Seismology. Which state of India has the longest coastline? Answer: Gujarat. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.